Assalamu alaikum students. The Knowledge School, Kayat Campus, Lahore. Today I am going to deliver my 9th lecture for class 3, subject computer. Your teacher Miss Abira Iqbal is here. Students, your book name is Keyboard, chapter number 3. Let's learn KTurtle. Page number 27-28, reading. Hi Google, what's up? Hey Toggle, you know, my friend says we can draw using a turtle. Now isn't it funny? A turtle to draw? Oh, your friend must be referring to KTurtle. KTurtle? What's that? Sounds like a game. No, Google. KTurtle is a computer language. It is very useful for learning programming. Wow! KTurtle teaches you how to program in an easy way. You can draw figures, type text and perform simple calculation in KTurtle. Just as you use a pencil to draw and write in your notebook. Students, KTurtle आपको सिखाता है कि आप इजी वे में प्रोग्राम कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लाइक आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, टाइप कर सकते हैं, टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं, मैथ्स की कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं. जस्ट एज लाइक आप पेंसिल यूज़ करते हैं एक पेपर के ऊपर राइटिंग के लिए, इसी तरह आप KTurtle यूज़ कर सकते हैं. KTurtle uses a turtle for drawing. This turtle can draw only when you give it a command. A command means an order or an instruction. The turtle carries out the instruction or command typed by you. Students, KTurtle यूज़ करता है टर्टल को फॉर ड्राइंग. और ये जो टर्टल है ये ड्रॉ जब करता है जब आप उसको ऑर्डर कोई देते हो या इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हो. ठीक है. स्टार्टिंग KTurtle. The Start KTurtle, just click on the KTurtle icon on the desktop. The KTurtle screen will be displayed. Menu, toolbar, like here tools, console, execute, editor panel, turtle. The KTurtle screen is divided into 3 main parts. KTurtle की जो स्क्रीन होती है वो 3 हिस्सों में बटी हुई होती है. उसके मेन पार्ट्स होते हैं एडिटर पेन. इट इज़ प्रेजेंट ऑन द लेफ्ट ऑफ द स्क्रीन when you type the commands. Canvas. It is the space in the middle of the screen where the turtle moves to make your drawing. Inspector pen. It is present on the right of the screen, which gives you information when your command is carried out. Note, the editor and inspector pens can be docked to any of the borders of the main window. They can also be detached and placed anywhere on the desktop. The dock means to attach the pens to any side of the KTurtle windows. This can be done by placing the mouse on the title bar of the pen, pressing the left mouse button and then dragging it to one of the sides of the KTurtle window. Students, this was the reading of page number 27 and 28. We will continue the reading of page number 29, 30, 31 and next many more pages in my next lectures. I hope you liked this lecture. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.